A drop of 2.3% is anticipated in Zcash tomorrow, Traders Union shows. To begin, let's check the current market development. At the time of this update, Zcash is up 3.8% in the last 24 hours and trading near $354.61. Now we move to the analysts' outlooks. Traders Union believes the price might retreat to $346.52 by April 26. That's about 2.3% off today's price. CoinDataFlow sees potential for Zcash to drop to $353.77, a decline close to 0.2%. According to CoinCodex, the price could be on track for $355.47, a gain estimated at 0.2%. Another estimate by CoinLore suggests Zcash could edge upward to $358.16, a projected increase near 1%. And last, but not least, Gov Capital Collector believes the price could reach $365.90 by tomorrow. That's 3.2% up. This is the top return outlook so far. That covers the expert calls. Let's move forward now. With all expert forecasts in, here's what it adds up to. Based on the collected data from each expert, the expected market range is from a decrease of 2.3% to a gain of 3.2%, depending on the analyst. That makes Gov Capital Collector the leader, with 3.2% improvement in value by April 26. This means you could collect between $2 and $32 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of probability, CoinDataFlow stands out with a 99.1% chance of success. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've formed a consensus picture. Consensus expectations put Zcash at approximately $355.97. Let's review the details step by step. The consensus expectation is for an increase of 0.4%. And on that same note, your capital could also increase by about 0.4%. On a 1,000 example, the move could potentially translate into about $4 gained. Based on the forecasts, the probability of this consensus outcome being realized is near 99%. Let's highlight what analysts predict for the market in the next 3 days. Traders Union indicates that prices could dip further. Also, CoinDataFlow expects Zcash to decline steadily. CoinCodex signals a likely move upward. Additionally, CoinLore believes the price is set to climb further. A stable market view is shared by Gov Capital Collector, projecting no meaningful moves. The consensus signals calm market conditions, with Zcash showing a neutral outlook. Looking across the forecasts, 60% suggest Zcash will trade higher. 5 sites published forecasts 2 days ago. Yesterday showed how accurate they turned out. As a result, the actual price settled around $359.07. Only 2 out of 5 were right about the move. The most exact forecast belonged to CoinCodex. Let's move on to the breakdown. None of the 5 predictions fit the candle spread. And about ROI, a few profitable outcomes appeared, topped by digital coin price with 13.5%. Now on screen is the overview table, all results at a glance. In the summary, coin price forecast shows $44.07 accuracy, 98.8% forecast probability, and minus 13.5% ROI. See who came closest to reality in this set of results. And now let's take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow compare across different cryptocurrencies based on consensus forecasts. Zcash takes 5th position among all forecasts, as Toncoin holds the strongest outlook with 1.4%. At this stage, Zcash is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full table of returns and long-term analyst results will soon go live on my site and Telegram. If you're still here, you've earned my respect. Give it a like if this video brought you any value. See you next time.